If you're looking to learn how to invest and take control of your financial future, Bloom might be just what you need. This app is designed to make investing accessible to everyone, including teens, with a user-friendly platform that focuses on education and hands-on learning. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, Bloom offers over 300 interactive lessons that can help you get a better grasp of the world of investing. And for those of you who are parents, the app also has custodial accounts, which allow you to guide your teen's investment journey while they learn the ropes. One of the best features of Bloom is its simplicity. You don't need to have a large amount of money to get started, and there are no minimum balance requirements, which makes it perfect for beginners. Plus, the app lets you trade 5,000 plus US stocks and ETFs without the riskier options and margin trading that some platforms offer. This is a big plus for people who want to learn about investing but don't want to dive into high-risk territory right away. Another standout feature is the security and safety measures Bloom has in place. The app uses top-tier security through Plaid to link your bank account, and your investments are insured up to $250,000. This ensures that your information and funds are protected, which is especially important when you're starting out and might be worried about making mistakes. However, Bloom isn't completely free. They offer 2 subscription plans, $15 a month or $120 per year. While you can access basic lessons for free, the premium features like the advanced lessons and stock rewards come with that subscription fee. Now, this might be a downside for some, especially if you're just testing the waters and not sure if investing is for you. But considering Bloom doesn't make money off your trades or data like some other platforms, the subscription is their way of aligning incentives and keeping the focus on helping you succeed long term. Plus, the app rewards you with stock for learning, which adds some fun and motivation to the experience. All in all, Bloom is a solid app for anyone looking to get into investing in a safe and educational way. Whether you're a parent looking to teach your teen about money or an adult wanting to take control of your financial future, Bloom offers the tools and resources to do just that. The lack of high-risk features and the focus on education makes it a great starting point, though the subscription fees might be a little off-putting if you're not ready to fully commit. But if you're serious about learning and investing, Bloom is definitely worth checking out.